Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here with an import rule for you today. Previously, we had shown you how to add a bonk redemption into your stream. However, what if you wanted to add just a more innocent boop rather than being smacked over the head with a hammer? Well, in this import rule, we've got you covered. The first thing you want to do is head across to aitum.tv/imports and then click on download next to the boop redemption item, and download the two items from the Google Drive. Next, load up OBS. We want to add in a new media source. Do this by clicking on the plus sign under Sources and then select Media Source. Then locate the WebM file we downloaded before from the website. Make sure to open up Advanced Audio Properties and select Monitor and Output, or however you usually set up audio outputs for your media sources. Finally, it's time to load up Aitum. We want to set up a new channel point redemption for the boop animation. So head across to the Twitch redemptions page, then add a new item in and set it up as to how you want it to be. Now head across to the rules section. Click on Import Export on the top right. Now select Import in the wizard and locate or drag and drop the rule file we downloaded before. Next, select the channel point redemption we have set up, and then you want to select your OBS instance and finally the media source we set up at the start of the video. And that's all there is to it. Now your community can give you a careful little boop to get your attention, which is a bit more friendly than a bonk on the head, am I right? I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or I've created something very cool to show us, please join the Discord or follow us on Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.